From the Tools menu, access the program options. Select page headers and once chosen the template to customize, click on Edit. With the page editor commands, modify its layout freely. In this case, all changes will be final and re-proposed at each print. In Alternative, in the User Pages section, you can create new headers, or page templates in general, to be used when necessary. For example, open any program header, save it to file and close without making any changes. Select User Pages, define a name and click on Edit. At this point, load the previously saved page header and customize it freely. Once finished, save changes by clicking on OK. When printing, the program proposes the default page cover again. To use the new page header, in the General settings, delete the default page header. In various signatures, add the new user page as the starting page.